big dog status, Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Go your bag, told the.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy 36J, and we are back with another fire video. So in today's video, your boy got some new spark plugs and some new coil packs. Let me show y'all. So I got some new spark plugs and coil packs. Let me see. But like I said, we got some new upgraded coil packs and spark plugs. The ones that I got, let me see. This right here. I didn't get the rip ones because they're virtually the same thing, but I'll leave the link in the description of where I got these from. Got my boy Stacy right here. If y'all remember from like one of my very first videos, this is Stacy, the #1 mechanic. Where you been at, man? Where you been at?
Working, man.
Work. That's all we do, man.
My new valve covers.
Ooh, new valve covers for the Jeep.
Yeah, I got gaskets and everything.
Oh yeah,
All pressed
that's gonna be tough. But y'all remember this is my homie Stacy. He's been with me for mad long. Big shout out to him for helping me put on these coil packs. All right, so let's pop the hood. So Stacy approves of the coil packs, the mechanic himself. Woo! Have you seen what I painted the manifold?
Yeah, I see that. Painted like my Jeep.
Huh?
It's orange like my Jeep.
Oh, it is. I didn't even peep.
So your engine's a little different than mine.
Is it?
Yeah. Same concept though. It's just your intake's there. Your throttle body.
Where's your throttle body at?
Mine's up here.
Oh,
Same
it
thing,
is.
though.
It's the same thing, just like turn.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be the same thing. So.
Yeah. But
Start
there go the old factory coil packs right here, here, and here, and obviously the other three over there.
Battery, right?
No, my battery's in the trunk. That's a fuse box.
Yeah, that's right.
Yep. But let's get this install started. All right. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pop. I said pop your battery. Pause.
What?
You're going to disconnect your battery because you don't want no power coming to the car when you're working on it. So we're gonna disconnect the battery. All right, y'all. So this is gonna be like an install video on how to install coil packs and spark plugs on your V6 Charger, Challenger 300, or even Jeep. So Stacy's gonna show us the tools that we need. So what all do we need, Stacy?
Well, you're gonna need a 3/8 ratchet with extensions. There's 2 extensions. You need a little, so you have some length.
Okay.
You need
Pause.
What do you mean by that?
Yo!
Spark plug socket.
5/8 spark plug socket.
I like to have one of these just in case, if I gotta get in there.
Yeah.
It's a 5/16, socket on an adapter, 10 millimeter, 5/16, another 10 millimeter open-end wrench, extension. I kind of use pretty much all these drill, but be extremely careful when you use the drill. You're actually not even supposed to be tightening it with the drill. You can loosen stuff, but don't tighten it.
Okay.
So strip bolts out, and that won't be good.
Yes. Oh no, I learned the hard way. Did I tell you with taking out my seatbelt?
Yeah.
Yes, I stripped that terribly.
Because I've already on my transmission pan, I stripped the bolt out. I re-tap and die it. And that's very nerve-wracking. You start sweating a lot.
Jeez.
Because if you mess it up,
That's it.
that's it. That's the thing.
All right, y'all. So like I said, we undid the negative terminal on the battery because you don't want no power to the car, obviously. But let's start installing these coil packs. All right. So which one we gotta pull first? So
You gotta start disconnecting the throttle body sensors and all that good stuff. This is your throttle position sensor. This is your heat temp sensor for your cold air intake.
Okay.
Gotta take all this off because this is we're gonna have to take this off too. I believe it's 2 pieces. It looks like. So just take it off here. Pop this part off. The whole manifold's gonna come off as 1 piece.
Okay.
With the throttle body too. So.
Okay. So pretty much just undoing the whole intake manifold.
Yeah, you gotta get all
and
these
whole intake
wires
thing.
and stuff off so you don't. These have like little push tabs.
Yeah.
You just pull back on them. Like this, you push down and it locks it, right? You pull back on it
And unlock. Okay. Perfect.
And then all your vent tubes.
Okay. Well, seems pretty simple. So let's knock that out. I'm gonna pick up the camera once we get the manifold off, the intake piping off, all that other stuff. So pick up the camera once we get all that off. All right, so we got that tubing part off. And so it's pretty simple, like Stacy said. So you just take these little clicks right here and click up, click up, click up. And yeah, so, but obviously you got 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. So we're still gonna take the manifold off. Get it, Stacy. This host been giving us. Ah, there we go. He said, "You motherfucker! God damn it, same shit." That's the meme I was playing in my head.
Come on, you motherfucker! Ah, shit! God damn it! Same shit, different day.
The fun part.
All right, so
You got any rags? Because you want to.
yeah, to stuff it. Yeah, I got some rags. Yes, I got the paper towels and all that. So we are not gonna take off the manifold. I can see the throttle body right there, intake right there. So we're gonna take all this stuff off, and we're gonna see what's next.
Bolts right here.
All right, so you gotta take off.
I'm gonna take these off so you can get the manifold off.
Okay, bet.
Because the manifold and the throttle body will come out together.
Got that 10 mil. The one thing you never want to lose.
Just loosen them up, break them free. Don't drop the bolt.
That'd be
fun.
That'd be sad. That'd be a long day.
Like the other day when I did my spark plug on my Jeep. Same thing, same build, but just a little different on the top.
I think it is a little bit more contour.
Yeah, so yours is like in the back, mine's in the front. I dropped I think it was one of the bolts for the manifold.
Oof.
Almost fell into the
opening.
My
Gosh.
I didn't cover it. You gotta cover your crap before.
Yes, so cover it.
You don't want no debris or dirt or water or anything to get in there.
Not at all. All right, so after man hours and man sweat of trying to get this off, more so him than me, but we got the manifold somewhat off. But whenever you are doing stuff with your car and these little holes, you always want to cover it. Because if you don't cover it, your car gonna fucking explode.
Yeah, sometimes your hoses get sticky.
So I'm gonna just go right here.
Now we got it open so I can actually get in here.
All right.
Just kind of break the seal from it.
All right, so now we got these closed, but coil pack over there. So we're gonna put those on. All right, so after all that tussling, we got the manifold out. So now it's time to undo those clips how we did on this side to that side. So that's pretty simple, like you said, just undo these clips right here, boom, boom, boom.
Just push up, they lock in like that. Push up on it. And you just want to kind of be careful. It should hear a click. And they just pop out. Oh, shit. Dang. It's all the heat. The heat makes this shit really brittle.
Yeah. But we are going to pick up the camera once we get those things ready to go on. All right, so take out the old coil packs. I wonder how my old, this is my first time changing my coil packs and my spark plugs on this car. So
we'll look at the spark plugs and see how, if you're leaking, you'll see oil on the spark plug if you got oil going in there.
Yeah.
You don't look like you have any leaks, so then they just pop right out.
Yeah.
Pop right out.
Yep, so it just came. That's the old one, and these are the new ones. So they just kind of just pop out like this. So it goes like,
Wiggle it and pop it out.
just like that. So pretty simple. Pretty fucking simple. All right, so we got all the coil packs out. See the spark plug there, all that. Looks good so far. So, yep, these are the old ones. These are the new ones. And now we're gonna take out the spark plugs. So we took out the spark plug and damn!
Yeah, they were time for changing.
I know, I haven't
You
changed
got
them.
a little bit of oil in there. Yeah, that's burnt oil.
Yeah, it's just over time. I've literally never changed it, but that's probably why.
They're old.
Yeah. Like, I'm gonna show y'all like the old one versus the new one. So there goes the old one, and there goes the new one. So it was definitely time for me to change these. Thank God I was able to change it in time. So we're gonna get all these old ones took out and put the new ones in. We got all the old spark plugs out, bro. Like, just look at these things. Like, look at that. Let me see. Compared to this, like, jeez. I was playing with the devil doing this one. Like, they were all burnt up. Because I haven't changed them since I got the car. I didn't really think about it until now, but thank God I did. But we're going to put these new spark plugs into the car. So now we are doing the gapping. So what was it for the chargers again, Stacey?
It said in between 0.031 or 0.050.
So we're going to do right in the middle, 40. So make sure you have some of this stuff too, the anti-seize lubricant. You can put it around like the top end of the spark plug, but
yeah, don't over gap it. You over gap it, you're gonna have to fix that.
yeah,
You're gonna have to bend that little
this little
guy back down. You gotta be really careful because you can break that off.
Yeah, but we're gonna do all these and pick up the camera. All right, y'all. So now we're gonna put the spark plugs back inside. So it's like reverse copy and paste. So put that in there, screw it in, boom. So it's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. All right, so we're putting the spark plug. I mean, not spark. We put the spark plugs in on this side. We're putting the coil packs in now. So like I said, now we're just gonna put everything back together and put it back how it was. All right, so we got the manifold back on, got the coil packs in, spark plugs in. Now we're about to put the intake back together. So pretty simple. That's all. Big shout out to the homie Stacy for helping me with this. Could have done it without you, man. But we're gonna pick up the camera once we get everything installed and we start the car. All right, y'all know without that video. Oof, hold on. Without that start. Like 2 days. It is loud. Hell yeah. Big shout out to Stacy. I don't know if you can hear me, but thank you so much for helping me. Big shout out to you, man. I really appreciate it. You scared me when you turned it on. All right, y'all. So now that we got the coil packs in and new spark plugs in, we are gonna go do some pulls with the car and test it out. So pretty much for those of you that don't know, when you add upgraded spark plugs and coil packs to your car, it helps with like the electrical power is up, like, you know, your torque, and like you'll get a little bit more power out of your car because now your car has like upgraded spark plugs and coil pack. But the spark plugs is like a major thing. Like, as y'all saw, mine were all burnt out. So this is definitely gonna help my car perform a lot better. I did end up detuning the car, so I just have the regular drag race tune on right now. So I don't have the advanced verbals on. But maybe my next video, or like maybe like an upcoming video, I'm probably gonna do probably like a POV in the hood or POV in the trenches with the Instant 360 and with the flames. So y'all stay tuned for that one. But I'm gonna pick up the camera once we get over to Mexico to do these pulls. All right, y'all, see this first little pull. We're doing second gear 40. That felt good. So I definitely noticed a difference in like the torque. It's not like a major difference, but I can definitely, like, I don't know, like when you know your car, you can tell when something is like a little bit more stronger, or a little bit more off. But my car felt a lot stronger from the 40 right then and there, so we'll do a 35. All right, so I'm gonna do a 35 in second. Let's put these windows down. That felt good. That felt real good. Yeah, there's definitely a little difference in like the torque within it. Like, it feels like my car's like snatching just like a tad bit more than it was before. So I'm happy with it. All right, let's get this hard pull in. I'm gonna do a 50. Let's just get straight right here. third gear. Let's try second gear. Let's try third, fuck it. Oh no, we doing that shit in second. We're doing another 50, fuck it. Alright, so we'll do 2 more pulls. I'll do a 40 and I'll do a 60, and then we'll pick up the camera once I get to the house. Alright, so we get this 40 in. Try a 60. Alright y'all, but we're gonna pick up the camera once I get to the house. Those were some fire pulls. I definitely noticed I kind of pick up speed a little bit faster now, so I don't know. I noticed a difference. Let me know in the comments what y'all think, but pick up the camera once I get to the house. Alright y'all, we just came back from doing the pulls and all that, and look what I got in the mail. Some underground tuning merch. Alright, and I had got me my little underground tuning phone case, finally. I haven't been able to grab anything lately, but yo, this is fire quality. I got the little charger thing in the back. Go get your underground tuning merch. Go get your underground tuning merch. And this is not the only thing I got. We're getting on something else. So go get your underground tuning merch, bro. But that should be it for today's video, yo. So like I said, I ended up putting in the new coil packs and spark plugs. So I'll leave the link to the ones that I have in the description down below. Big shout out to the homie Stacy for helping me. If y'all remember my videos like way back when I first started, Stacy helped me do my PCM and stuff like that. So bro, if you're watching this, big shout out to you. I really appreciate it, man. But that should be it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We are on the road to 2,500 subscribers, and we are like right there. We're like right there. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and watch the ads.
Back the fuck up. I'll knock the fuck out you.
This your boy 36J, and I'm out. Bow.